Today I'm really proud that we can present our very first solder down module based on the OSM standard. We have it with the i.MX 93 and i.MX 91 from NXP. It's a solder down module which will fit on a board like this that we have here running already. Later we will come out with the i.MX 95 version. It's a slightly bigger one, which I'm currently working on, which is really exciting to work on such projects. For many customers, however, it is going to be a challenge to actually solder down a module. So that's why we also came up this year with a new form factor based on the same size. It's actually also 30 by 30 millimeters like the OSM we have here. Same size, but with the difference that it has two board-to-board connector underneath, which makes it much easier to handle, much easier to use, especially for lower volume projects. So we have that here. For that one, we actually made an adapter board like this one here, in which you can plug it in and it makes the board a fully compatible Verdin module, which will work with all your existing Verdin ecosystem, so you can actually easily explore this new solution. It's also based on the i.MX 93 and 91 SoC from NXP. Now I'm going to show you that since this adapter board here, which makes the Lino a Verdin module, we can actually provide that to the full design to download for the customers. And therefore, here at the show, I can actually show the full design, which makes me exciting because I can show the beautiful layers that we have here on this board, how the layout we have done, how much effort we put in that to make the layout really good here. And of course, I can show the whole thing also in 3D, because everything is done in 3D here as well, and people can download that design from our website and will be able to copy and implement it on their own board.